In 2025, the winners won't be the traditional experts like coders, marketers, or designers. They'll be the AI generalists who possess multiple skills to dominate every industry. Today, we're talking about 8 essential AI skills that can give you a powerful edge in the coming years, especially as we move further into 2025 and beyond. Maybe you've seen how quickly AI is changing different industries, or perhaps you've wondered if there's a way to learn about these technologies without being a hardcore programmer. Well, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the 8 must-have AI skills that anyone, from total beginners to seasoned professionals, can master. Think of this as your roadmap to becoming an AI generalist. Being an AI generalist means you're not locked into just one specialty. Instead, you have the ability to handle tasks across multiple fields, from automation to content creation to building apps and so much more. As futurist Alvin Toffler once said, the illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and then relearn. This is especially true in our world where AI advances almost monthly. So if you're ready to adapt and thrive, let's dive in. Now, my name is Chris, and I run an AI automation agency that helps businesses work smarter. I also built the largest chiropractic marketing agency in the whole world, and I also manage a call center in the healthcare industry. All these experiences have shown me exactly how AI can help businesses grow and save time. On this channel, I share clear, simple AI tips that actually work. No technical jargon, just practical strategies you can use right away. And today, I'm excited to share the blueprint that has helped me and can also help you transform from a specialist into an unstoppable AI generalist. Before we look at the skills, let's talk about why being an AI generalist is so important. For years, people have focused on deep specialization, becoming expert coders, digital marketers, or mastering one type of design tool. But here's the thing, AI can now match or beat humans at tasks that used to take years to master, like coding, translation, even certain types of design. Instead of competing directly with AI in one narrow area, it makes more sense to use AI across multiple areas. This means you can, number one, switch between different fields easily. You can jump into marketing one day, data analysis the next day. Number 2, automate your own work. Build AI helpers that save you tons of time. 3, build multiple skills. Maybe you enjoy design, but you also want to write. AI helps you do both without years of studying and learning these fields. There's a quote I love that says, "You will never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes existing models obsolete." And that new model is the AI generalist. Let's explore these 8 key AI skills. For each one, I'll explain what it is, why they matter, and some tools you can use to actually apply them. Skill number 1, no-code AI agent development. Now, what is this exactly? Creating digital agents or bots that perform tasks automatically. For example, answering customer questions, sorting emails, or finding information online for you. Now, why is this important? These agents automate tasks that would normally take your time or require hiring someone. So, it's like having a virtual assistant that works 24/7 and never complains. So, let's go over some examples. Number 1, customer support bot. Create a ManyChat or LandBot chatbot that handles your top 20 FAQs automatically. A fitness coach I worked with built a bot that answers membership questions, schedules consultations, and sends out workout plans, reducing support tickets by 68% in 2 weeks. Number 2, personal research assistant. Set up a Claude or ChatGPT with custom instructions to deliver daily industry briefings. Mine scans specific AI news sources, summarizes key developments in the industry, and highlights business opportunities in the AI space, helping me spot market trends before my competitors. So some key steps for applying this skill is, number 1, identify repetitive tasks by tracking where you spend most time in 1 week. If you answer the same question twice, that's an automation opportunity right there. Another key step is select the right platform. ManyChat for social media integration, BotPress for customization, or AgentGPT for more complex workflows. Configure with clear instructions and 3 to 5 examples of ideal responses for different scenarios. Then you're going to want to test and refine by having others try to break your bot with unusual requests, then improve based on these interactions. AI agents can handle surprisingly complex work, freeing you up for more strategic thinking. Skill number 2, no-code automation, which is essentially automating repetitive tasks. Now, what is this? Connecting different apps so routine tasks happen automatically. Now, why is this important? Well, time is your most valuable resource. Automation prevents manual copy and pasting, reduces errors, and makes everything just run smoother in your life. So some of my favorite tools is Zapier, which is perfect for connecting web services. Like, when someone fills out my form, add them to my email list. The next tool is Make, which is more advanced with branching logic for complex workflows. Real examples is a client follow-up system. So for example, when a client signs a contract, it schedules a welcome call in Google Calendar, sends personalized onboarding material via email, adds the client to a CRM CRM with custom tags and sets up a reminder notification for key milestones. This saved her 5+ hours per week while improving her client satisfaction. Now, just a small tip, start small with a 5-minute automation. Find something you do daily that takes just a few minutes, like saving email attachments or copy pasting information. Automate just that one thing. Experience the win, then expand to more complex processes. As Stephen Covey once said, the key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. Automation handles the tedious work so you can focus on bigger goals. Skill number 3, prompt engineering. This essentially means getting the best results from AI. Now, what is this exactly? To explain further, it's creating precise, detailed instructions that help AI models give you useful, high-quality outputs. Why it's important? A well-written prompt saves hours of back and forth. It's like giving perfect directions to a friend. If your directions are unclear, they'll get lost, and we don't want that. How to get good? Be specific about style, tone, format, and constraints. Test and adjust your prompts based on the results that you get. You can use roleplay. Tell the AI you are a seasoned business consultant, for example, to get more strategic answers. Now, a couple resources to help with improving the skill. You can explore online prompt libraries or communities where people share their best prompts. Plus, many AI tools now have built-in tips for better prompt writing. I love this quote. Questions are the engines of intellect. In prompt engineering, a good question and clear instructions make all the difference. Skill 4, API integration. This essentially means making different apps work together. Now, in more context, what exactly is this? So APIs are bridges that let different softwares communicate. Connecting AI services with other apps unlocks powerful possibilities. Why is this important? You don't need to be a developer, but knowing how to connect an AI model to a data source or app helps you create custom solutions. Now, let's go over some basic steps to apply this skill. Number 1, explore API documentation to understand available endpoints and authentication requirements, like OpenAI's API docs or Anthropic's Claude API guide. 2, test connections using tools like Postman or Thunder Client to experiment with data formats and responses before building anything. 3, automate the workflow by connecting these APIs to your existing systems through no-code platforms like Make or N8N. For example, I actually built a smart lead qualification system for a real estate agency that revolutionized their process. When new leads come in through their website, the API integration sends property details to an AI that analyzes buyer preferences. It then pulls relevant data from their MLS listings database and generates personalized property recommendations with AI. It then creates custom PDF brochures for each lead. Next, it would notify the appropriate agent with lead insights. This reduced their response time from hours to minutes while delivering more personalized services. The best part, it costs less than $100 per month to operate and replace what would have been probably a $20,000 plus custom software project. APIs let you combine the strengths of different apps to create something greater. Skill 5, AI-assisted app building. Now you can create your own software with AI. Now, what is this exactly? Using low-code or no-code platforms with AI to build apps, websites, or prototypes. Instead of writing code by hand, you can describe your idea in plain language and the system does most of the coding for you. Now, why is this important? If you have a cool concept, like a scheduling app for a local business, you can build a working prototype in days instead of months. This dramatically lowers the barrier to anything to do with entrepreneurship. Now, some popular platforms is Replit, which is great for real-time coding with AI assistance. Another platform is Bubble, a no-code platform with AI features for building web apps, and Bolt, AI-driven app creation for simple use cases. Now I'll give you some example projects. So we built a restaurant inventory optimizer that, again, we created with the GBT engineer and some basic UI work. It connected the suppliers' databases, tracks ingredient usage, predicts shortages before they happen, and automatically suggests substitute ingredients based on the current menu items, which helped them reduce food waste by 22% and save them over $2,000 monthly on inventory costs. So some tips. Define success metrics first. Know exactly what problem you're solving and how you'll measure improvement. Start with a walking skeleton. Build the simplest version that works end-to-end before adding features. You're going to want to get feedback from actual users within the first week of development, then iterate based on their pain points rather than just your assumptions. With AI-assisted app building, you can try ideas quickly without expensive mistakes. Skill 6, AI content generation. With this skill, you can create visuals, videos, and much more. Now, what is this exactly? Using AI tools to quickly produce images, graphics, videos, music, or voiceovers. You provide a prompt like, create a peaceful sunset with mountains and get content in seconds. Why it's important? We live in a visual world. Social media, websites, ads, and presentations all need quality visuals. AI lets you create eye-catching materials without a design degree. So a real-life use case for this is, instead of hiring a designer for every product or image or promotion, a small business owner can use Midjourney or DALL-E to generate dozens of options and pick the best one. So some learning tips for this skill is start by experimenting with DALL-E or Leonardo AI for more control over the output. Prompt your AI to create multiple variations with slight wording changes to see different interpretations. Keep your prompt specific and clear. Mention style, color, lighting, and any must-have elements. Some potential pitfalls is, some AI outputs can be generic or have weird outcomes. Like sometimes you'll have hands with extra fingers or distorted text. Be prepared to tweak your prompts or do minor edits afterwards. Also, check that your images maintain a consistent style throughout your project. With AI, you can bring your vision to life faster and more affordably than ever. Skill 7, AI editing and enhancement. Now you can polish your content to perfection. Now, essentially what this skill is refining AI generated content. For example, fixing text errors, improving image quality, or cleaning up your audio. Now, why is this important? Well, polished content stands out. Professional looking images, videos, and audio make all the difference. AI editing tools can handle tasks that used to take hours in Photoshop or Premiere Pro. Some tool examples to help you with this skill is Descript. You can edit a 2-hour podcast down to 45 minutes in just half an hour. It removes filler words like ums and ahs and lets you fix mistakes by editing the transcript. Topaz Photo AI. Transform blurry photos to professional quality with 4x resolution while preserving details other tools would smudge. CapCut's AI tools. Turn smartphone footage into polished social media content with automatic color grading and smart transitions. Now, some practical advice for you guys. For images, use AI to fix technical issues first. Noise, resolution, lighting, before making creative adjustments. For video editing, create a smart template in your AI editor with your more common adjustments, for example, your audio levels, color preferences, transition style, to maintain consistency across multiple projects. Always check before and after results at full size to catch any artifacts the AI introduces. As Henry Ford once said, quality means doing it right when no one else is looking. Even AI-generated content needs that final polish for a truly professional look. So don't just rely on the AI-generated output. Skill 8, AI-enhanced writing. Become a better writer with AI. Now, what is this exactly? Using AI to brainstorm topics, create outlines, improve grammar, and even draft entire pieces. Tools like Claude, ChatGPT, or specialized writing assistants turn simple prompts into well-structured content. Why is this important? Well, strong writing is essential for business emails, marketing copy, blog posts. AI helps overcome writer's block, organize your thoughts, and speed up the writing process as a whole. Now, some ways you can use this skill is, for example, when you're drafting emails. Let AI create solid first drafts you can quickly customize. Generate outlines. Input your topic for an instant structure you can build upon. Improve writing. Tools like Grammarly or Language Tool to catch mistakes and suggest better phrasing. Tip: don't blindly just accept AI suggestions. Review everything carefully. Ensure it matches your voice and verify any facts, please. With AI, you can think faster, but always review with a human perspective. Bringing it all together. By mastering these 8 skills, you'll be able to: number 1, automate repetitive tasks, freeing yourself for bigger goals. 2, build custom apps and solutions with minimal coding knowledge. 3, create impressive graphics, videos, and written content. 4, connect with audiences more effectively through polished messaging. It's a combination that makes a difference. Using one skill is helpful, but when you combine them, like building an AI agent that automates your marketing and writes personalized emails, you're operating at a whole new level. Now, how can you get started? Pick one skill that feels most relevant or exciting right now. Try a hands-on project. Maybe generate artwork for a blog post using AI. Share your results. Post it in a community, get feedback, and improve. Now, if you want to start with AI agents, you could, number 1, identify repetitive tasks you want to automate, like screening leads for your business or scheduling. Number 2, choose a no-code platform like Crew AI or OpenAI's tools. 3, define clear rules for what you want the AI to do. 4, test with real-life scenarios and refine as needed. 5, gather user feedback and gradually expand what your agent can handle. Step by step, you'll get comfortable with each skill. Over time, you'll see how they naturally all work together. There you have it, 8 powerful AI skills to help you stand out in 2025 and beyond. The world is changing fast, but with curiosity and the right tools, you can adapt and thrive. Remember, you don't need to master everything overnight. The point is to start, experiment, learn from your mistakes, and keep improving. As the one and only Leonardo da Vinci once said, learning never exhausts the mind. And in the world of AI, there's always something new to learn. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps others discover these insights too. Let me know in the comments which skill you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.